Open up WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android, and one option that you have is on the iPhone, I can swipe to the left and tap on Archive. And on Android, I can tap and hold, and on here, I can tap on that little down arrow, and you can see it has been archived. This is one option to hide it. However, anybody that's clever enough can just swipe down and see archived here and archived. So this doesn't work great to be able to hide it. There are other options to be able to hide it. So let me just tap and hold and hit unarchive, and tap and hold and hit unarchive. Now, another option you have instead of that is to lock it. So on the iPhone, I can press and hold on that chat, and then I'm going to choose the lock chat at the very bottom and hit continue. Now I will use my Face ID just to authenticate this. And on the Android phone, I can do something similar. I can press and hold on a chat, tap on those three dots at the top right, and then choose lock chat and continue. And from here, I can enter in the PIN for my phone and hit continue. Now on here, you'll see if you open up WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android, it normally won't show those lock chats. So let me close out of it real quick and show you what it looks like. If I open up both, it won't show those lock chats, but if you swipe down on either one, there are those locked chats. So on the iPhone or the Android, it will just ask you for your PIN or your Face ID, and then you can unlock it and see it. So they will need either the unlock code or PIN code for your iPhone or Android or Face ID. But there's one other option as well. We can tap on settings at the top right of your iPhone, or those three dots at the top right of your Android phone and hit chat lock settings. Another option is hide locked chats. Let's toggle this on both phones. And you can see I can set a secret code on here. So I'm going to hit change secret code. And in this case, I'm going to just enter in a secret code of 1111 and hit next. And then do it again, 1111 and hit done. Now you can just do the same thing on Android phone to set that secret code. Now I'll show you what this looks like on my iPhone. So if I tap on chats and I swipe down, it no longer shows that locked chat. You'll be able to find it by tapping on the search bar at the top here and typing in 1111. You can see only when I type in the entire secret code does it pop up with locked chats. I can then just tap on it and be able to see what that chat is. Same thing on your Android phone. Just go through the process after you've set that up. Just tap on the search bar and enter in that secret code to reveal the hidden chat.